Experience driving perfection in the 2011 Ford F-250. Two new engines appear for 2011, highlighted by the 6.7-liter Power-Stroke diesel V8, creating 390 horsepower and an astonishing 735 foot-pounds of torque. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including heated and ventilated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Ford's Work Solutions system utilizes radio frequency identification technology to help locate tools and improve productivity. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.